Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to review the Kobo Libra 2. I'm going to share all the important things they need to know. And this video is going to have 3 parts. I'm going to start with the pros, then the neutral thing, and the cons. So let's start. So what I like about it is that how lightweight and comfortable it is. On the right side, you're going to have these 2 buttons that you can switch pages with. So that's a great. Like the screen is sharp and the lighting is great too. So right now when you look at this, and I'm going to press it right here or here, and I'm going to have the brightness. I can increase the brightness, and then you have something called natural light. So as you can see, it's going to be more orange. So this is great when you want to read it in the evening and you don't want to hurt your eyes that much. This natural light is great, and you can have it also as auto. Then what you can do is that, let's say that you want to increase the font size. See? So even that's something you can do. Then you're going to have line spacing here and margins. So all of the and font face. So all of that you can change here, and it's pretty intuitive and it's great. Battery life also great. And what I like also is that, let's say that I have the corporation here. When I'm going to press it or through or corporation here, I'm going to have, if I don't know the word, I will have all the description here about it. So that's great too. And for me, it's just amazing also with these 2 buttons. So that's about the positive sides. Now they got plenty of books that you can get. That's great thing. And now come the neutral thing. So I don't have any neutral thing. For me, this is like a great ebook reader. But the last thing, and that's the cons, is that sometimes it's slow. That's the only con that I have for this ebook reader. But other than that, I rate this definitely like solid 5 out of 5, and I recommend it. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.